Hi, Katarina here with Beauty Junkies. Today I'm going to share with you how to use a Pro Tapered blending brush to apply shadow into the crease of your eye for a soft, smooth finish in just a very few easy, simple steps. So let's begin. Starting off by taking your brush, you want to go ahead and dip the shadow into a shade that is just maybe 1 to 2 shades deeper than your natural eye color. And what we're going to do is just using circular motions starting on the outer portion of your eye, you're just going to start blending inwards. The point of a transition shade is to make a seamless transition between the lid color and your brow bone highlight, so there's no sharp lines. This brush does an amazing job at blending in the shadow because it gives a very soft kind of airbrushed finish to the look. So just doing the same thing on the other eye, starting with circular motions and then just blending inwards. A lot of people like to call this the windshield wiper motions because you're just going back and forth, slowly building up that color. This is also one of those brushes that you will go back to multiple times throughout any makeup look that you are doing because it's that key blending brush that just helps, again, to kind of diffuse any of those sharp lines. And here's the final look of using the Pro Tapered blending brush to achieve that beautiful transition shade in the crease of your eye in just a very few easy, simple steps.